Hi, in front of me I have OPPO A9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do that let's just tap this icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select sound and vibration. And here let's scroll down and tap on ringtone. In here we have a list of ringtones and you can listen to them basically by tapping on one. So for example, let's tap on this one, playground. That's quite loud, so. And you can tap it again to turn it off. And we can go through all of them. So let's start from the top. And that's basically all of them. And once you're done selecting, for example, let's select this one, you can go back to save it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.